Guys, today I'm reviewing the AirCare mini console evaporative humidifier. It's white, but I've only seen the white before, and the model number's up here. It's the MA0800. I bought this at Lowe's. It was only like $100. The filter replacements are only about $20, so I figure this is a nice, cheap humidifier for my entire home. Anyways, let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. Best knife ever. Screwdriver. Shouldn't be too many pieces in here. They had a 4 model there. I was able to look at how to refill everything since there's not like a obvious way to do it. I'll show you guys how to do that. After I take all this out. Let's see. Got a little notice. I wonder what this is. Maybe like some kind of rebate form? Oh, warranty. Okay. It's got a little questionnaire. Those are the last questions. That looks like fun to fill out. Let's see. Just a notice if you have any problems. Nothing on the back. And, parts guide. That's pretty helpful. And then the actual user guide. Sure it has other languages. Yep. There's Spanish. Yeehaw. Yep, there's page 25. 25. 25 or something. Take its stress off. Hey, mustache. Wow. Ugh. Nothing else in the box, just styrofoam stuff. Okay. Power cable. That was a text. Looks like this all comes apart. I guess that's just comes off for filter replacement. Seems like it's fine. Here's the water canister. If you want to refill it, the bigger model has a thing here. You just unscrew, put it under the sink, and fill it. But this actually has instructions. Right there. I don't know if you can get that in the light. Can you see that? You actually take this thing, push it in, and twist it like that. And then you can fill the water in. It's got like space. You can put your finger in there. And just twist it back up there. Put it like that. Looks like that's all there is. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Why not?
Should you have the water in it before you plug it in? Will it?
And trouble in it. They're not doing that? Still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very sorry. It wouldn't do anything as soon as you turn it on. Okay, so there's water in it. It's plugged in. Power button. It's really quiet. Let's turn it up, baby. Yeah. 3 speeds. Okay. Let's see. You can change the humidity. Okay. Leave it on 50. Leave it on 2. That's pretty quiet. That being in the living room, I'd be able to sleep with that on. Also reads that. I would think that's the humidity. Let's see. Let's see what the dehumidifier says. It says 35, so 33 seems accurate. It's cool that it actually counts like the number instead of this dehumidifier, which only counts every 5. Yeah, that is the AirCare mini console. If you have any questions, comments, just leave them down below. send me a message. I appreciate you watching this. Take care.